time for day 10, which is here. And hopefully we won't have any other issues. All right, it's a heart. So let's see what's... Oh, it says thank you. So I have a thank you card. All right, let me grab supplies and make this one. I have my papers. I decided to go with the Barnyard Bouquet paper pack. I wanted something different. So from that, I'm going to use this red check and this rooster piece. I have layers for both pieces. I have a scrap to stamp on, my card base, my ink, my stamp, and I thought I would punch out the image with a heart punch that I have. So let's get started here. All right, I don't know how good this is going to stamp. Oh, it didn't do too bad. Sometimes I think it depends on the ink pad too. All right, now I'm going to take my heart punch and I'm going to put that in the center. Ooh, you know what? Hang on. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to punch this out of white, and I'm going to get another punch and punch that out. And then a red piece too. So give me a minute. All right, I grabbed some punches. I'm going to punch this, and this may be too big. I may be cutting it down some, but we'll see. All right, so I'm going to punch that out. I need some white around it, so I can't really cut it out too much. And then this piece will layer on that because they're layering punches. So let me get this put together. And it'll just have a little bit of the white showing. All right. That works. It's off just slightly at the top. Hang on. There, that's better. All right, let's layer our other pieces here. And I like to put my adhesive on all my pieces at the same time. It's just easier. All right, now I'm not worried about which direction the animals are going because I can switch it up when I put it on my card. Okay. All right, we got our pieces. And I'm going to fold and burnish my card. All right, and this is a landscape card. So this piece goes on first, and it goes here. So let me get that on. And I'm going to go ahead and put tape runner on that one. So I have it. All right, now this is important. The roosters have to be the right side up, and I'm attempting to make the top, the side, and the bottom the same distance. This goes on like this. You really don't see the roosters, but that's okay. Like so. And then this is going to be put on with dimensionals. right. And I need some gems. All right, and then this is gonna go, I'm gonna put it in the center, like so. And let me go find some gems. Okay, I'm gonna use these gold sequins, and I'm gonna put one there. Ooh, I have no clue where that one flew off to. Let me move it up just a little. 2 and 3. And I think I'm going to take and I'm going to put 2 down here. I wish I could find where that one flew to. Don't know, it's gone. And I'll put one here and one here. And this one is way out of line. Oh, it's still out. Let me try again. Nah, it's moving, it's sticking, I can't. Let me pull it a little closer. Okay, got it. And there's day 10 idea. Thanks for joining me. Bye.